So I'm just starting off by sizing up my nail tips, and then I'm gluing them using Kiss nail glue. Then trimming them into a square shape using nail cutters. And applying Beetle's Base Gel. I'm going to be using this cat eye polygel from Savvyland. Usually with cat eye polygels or just cat eye gel polishes, you would use the magnet, but I kind of find that since polygel is very thick, it doesn't really allow the magnet pieces to move around inside of the polygel. So I personally find that using the magnet doesn't really work with polygel. So I'm not actually going to be using that. I'll just be applying it as I would normal polygel without using the magnet at all. So I'm just using my brush to move that around my nail and smooth it out. You'll see in a moment that I do actually leave the tip clear. I initially thought that this would make a difference and kind of add some contrast to the nail, but it didn't actually end up doing that in the end. So if you wanted to, you could just tape that cat eye polygel all the way up the nail. Since the first layer didn't really turn out as thick as I had thought it would, I'm going to be applying it again in the same exact way that I did before. So I'm just patting it into the cuticle area and the sidewalls. And then just making sure to sharpen up that line with my brush. Next up, I'm going to sharpen it even more using a hand file. Then I'm going to be filling in the part of the nail tip that I left open with clear polygel. So I start off by applying this on the tip, and then I pat it over that area and brush it down toward my cuticle to smooth it out with the cat eye polygel. Then I'm removing the inhibition layer with some acetone and filing them down using a hand file and my nail drill. Then I'm going back in with that hand file to shape them. And then just removing the dust. I'm using a white gel polish on a liner brush to paint a line across the tip of my nail. Then from that line, I'm pulling the gel polish down with my brush to create some lines. These are supposed to be icicles, but I kind of think they look like flames. I liked a little bit more of a fragile look, so I purposely shook my hand a little bit while I was making the lines. Then I'm applying a thin layer of IBD clear hard gel near my cuticle area. And I'm going to be using this to stick on some rhinestones. And this part is of course optional. I'm starting by placing one larger rhinestone in the center of my cuticle, and then two smaller ones on each side. Then I'm using a top coat to finish them off. And that's it for this design. I think that the cat eye polygel without using the magnet creates a really cute color shifting look, and I absolutely love how they turned out. Be sure to subscribe for more nail content, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!